How to set up and access Shopify Admin Panel 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be setting up and accessing our Shopify Admin Panel in the easiest and most simplest ways possible. So where do we locate the actual admin panel? Okay, and how do we set it up? So basically, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to come to your shopify.com and write slash admin. Okay. Now, once you do that, you're going to see that it's going to try to bring you to the admin panel, but nothing opens up, nothing is really there. So, how do you set that up? How do you set up an admin panel for yourself? So, what you're going to do is you're going to basically go ahead and try to go to your settings. Okay, and to get the admin privileges, obviously you're going to go into users and permissions. And once you go into the users and permissions, you're going to be able to find your admin panel in this section. Okay, you're going to find the different accesses and the different allowed things. And it's going to be relatively easy to find those along these places. But in the case that with your staff you don't have the access for things, you can add an admin pretty simply, okay? And trust me, adding an admin is piece of cake. You can simply go and add staff. If you want to add a new admin, you can add that as well and give them the admin privileges, and it should give you a good and clear concept of how you're going to set up and access your admin panel, okay? So that's pretty much the main idea about it. From the settings, you can manage your and access your Shopify admin panel. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.